With RoomSketcher, you can easily calculate the total area of a floor plan or project. I'll start with a simple example. Here's a project in the RoomSketcher app, and I want to know the grand total area of the whole project. Click Menu, Total Area. The Preview tab opens, showing me a view of my project. I can click here and choose Grand Total Area to see exactly what is included in the calculation. It's the whole project, which is exactly what I want. And here's my total area. I can also see my grand total area on the Level tab. And if I had a multi-level project, I could see the grand total for the project here. Now notice that RoomSketcher is actually showing me 6 calculations. So let's learn more about total area. There are lots of different ways to calculate it depending on local practices. For example, should outdoor spaces like this balcony be included or not? Should walls be included or not? With RoomSketcher, you can customize which rooms or areas are included by setting up area types. All rooms are automatically set as primary by default. In this sample floor plan, 3 rooms are primary, shown in blue. You can set a room to secondary to indicate that it's not a typical living space, like this utility room. You can mark areas as outdoor, like this balcony, or exclude, like this parking space, which will exclude the area from all calculations. Once you've set any area types, RoomSketcher can sum 6 different total area calculations for you. Grand total area sums all zones with area types primary, secondary, and outdoor, and all walls, like this. Gross floor area sums area types primary and secondary and all walls. Here it is. Gross internal area sums primary and secondary and just the internal walls. Internal zone area sums primary and secondary and no walls. Here it is. The primary area calculation is just areas marked primary and internal walls in primary areas. Secondary area sums all zones marked secondary, including internal walls in secondary zones. Let's take a look at another example. I'd like to know the size of this floor space, so I've got a balcony and a parking space that I don't want to include in the calculation. Plus, I have a utility room here that I'd like to separate out so that I can calculate this primary living space. The first step is to decide which total area calculation you want. I want to know gross floor area, which sums only rooms marked primary and secondary. So I plan to set my balcony to area type outdoor and the parking space to exclude. And I can use the primary area calculation to find out the size of my primary living space if I set the utility room to area type secondary. So let's set area types. Open Walls mode to select individual rooms or zones. I'll click the utility room, then click Advanced Properties, Area Type, and set it as secondary. Next, I'll select this parking space and set it as Exclude. And I'll click the balcony and set it as Outdoor. Now, RoomSketcher can calculate total area for you. Just click Menu and then Total Area. Here's the Preview tab. I can confirm what I've set for my primary, secondary, outdoor, and exclude area types. Next, I'll use the Preview drop-down to see what's included in any calculation, like my gross floor area and primary area, and they look good. This Level tab displays all 6 calculations by level. Here's the size of my gross floor area and my primary area. That's all there is to it. For plans and pricing, go to RoomSketcher.com.